today I'm going to be playing a raid on my iPad. This is kind of scary though because like I haven't played this in like a year and see, I have no clue where I'm meant to be going. I'm just trying to look for everyone but I can't find it and I'm getting closer to where the person is. Oh, this is so scary, I swear. Okay, I think hiding here is okay. Oh, someone's already been downed. Yeah, never mind. I think they can probably find me, so I'm just gonna... Why am I running closer to it? You know what, let's just forget about it. We need to revive whoever's been downed. Oh, yeah, there's that random thing coming after me. Yeah, oh, okay, just get stuck. Yeah, no one cares about that. Bro, why is this nerf? Like, this is weird. Yeah, okay. Oh, someone's been down, let's look for them. Oh, yeah, ha. Oh, how do you pick her up? Oh, okay. Yeah, go, oh, never mind. Oh, why do I look so weird when I crawl? Oh, thank you. There's this random thing chasing you, you know, oh, yeah, and then, like, I got stuck there as well. Should I say thank you? I'm not sure. Thank you, I guess. Let's just type that in. Yep, you're gonna answer that. You're gonna say no problem or something. Oh, I'm healed. Nice. Let's just stay here crawling looking like the weirdest person in the world. You know what? I give up. Yep, let's play a new round. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There. Bro, this is creepy. Just gonna like try hide it. Yep, never mind. Let me just run through now. Are you serious? Why was I just staying there? That's just gonna go crawl. It's not letting me crawl. It's not letting me crawl. It's not letting me crawl. Oh, yeah, there we go. Now let's just crawl like a maniac looking for safety. Oh, yeah, pick me up. Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah, there's some pickle. Run away. Oh, someone else has been downed. We should help them. Where even are they? Let's just look for them. Oh, Scarlet. Let's look for Scarlet. Oh, yeah, I'm being chased, I think. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, I think I am because I just saw... Yeah, let me revive her. Oh, can I pick you up or... Yeah. Made the same mistake as last time. Same mistake as last time. Someone revive me, please. Someone please revive me. Okay. So many people have tried to revive me. Because I'm just famous. Oh, thank you, man, person, bacon thing. Oh, thank you. Yep, no, I revived someone because I'm... Oh my god. Just let me in. Never mind. Why am I so slow? This is just weird. Oh, I'm so slow. I will revive the bacon. There you go. Don't really care about her, I'm just gonna leave her there now. I do, but like, you know, I just need to run away, and I'm running away, and I'm literally, oh my god, I've got stuck there like 12 times. You know what, I'm just gonna leave. Well, that was surely an interesting round. I think I'm just gonna leave now, but thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you don't understand a word I said, sorry, but yeah, maybe you can put the words on, like, yeah. I don't think I would ever do this again because this is literally the hardest thing I've ever done, so yeah, bye! And love you guys and thank you so much for getting me to where I am.